The India Meteorological Department has issued a high alert for Mumbai, forecasting that the city will receive extreme heavy rain on 13 and June 14. The Southwest Monsoon arrived in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, with dramatic effect on June 9. More than 200 millimeters of rain falling in less than 12 hours. Roads were inundated with flood water up to 50 centimeters deep, causing widespread traffic disruption. Train services were also interrupted. The government of Mumbai, Brihanbai Municipal Corporation, reported a building collapsed in Malvani, Malad West. At least 11 people have lost their lives in the incident, with 17 injured and 15 rescued. 3 other buildings nearby are in dangerous condition and the residents have been evacuated. On Friday, Mumbai Mirror reported that the city had received 94% of its usual June rainfall in 2 days. Meanwhile, chief spokesperson of Western Railway, Sumit Thakur, said that trains on the Western Line in Mumbai were running as per usual after the 2-day disruption. Rainfall of more than 204.5 millimeters in 24 hours is considered as extremely heavy. Mumbai, Thane, Raigad and Ratnagiri districts are very likely to receive extremely heavy rains at isolated places on Sunday. Raigad and Ratnagiri districts have similar alert for Saturday as well, said the Regional Meteorological Center of the IMD here. In the rest of Maharashtra, there will be moderate rains with thunderstorms and lightning in the next 2 days with varied intensity, the forecast said.